AutoKing started 15 years ago as a hobby, and has grown into a lot more than a hobby. Previous to that, I've been a brewer for 19 years, working in a brewery, being the brewer, and also leaving the brewery and starting Beverage Technologies, where we have put up water bottling plants across Canada. I personally have been in the mechanical aspect of the business forever, starting selling cars generally since 1978. At this point, I had to go a little deeper into it as per customers' request, and now we're up to 300 to 400 cars in trucks specifically per year. They are done properly. The safeties are done properly without any advisements. Safeties are very important for the consumer, in the fact that that's money well spent previous. There is no advisories on my safeties. My safeties are all done 100% to my specifications. All the vehicles are polished, detailed, shampooed, serviced. Generally, most of them are all car-proof clean. These vehicles do come from Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Calgary, Edmonton, and Vancouver. We are very much into the lease returns, generally one-owner units with no or minimal previous damage. Rest assured, they're all proper. The interiors are shampooed. The exterior detailing is usually a 3-stage cut and polish, where it is sealed. 90% of the vehicles have new rubber as they leave. Warranties are available. We do sell a large amount of warranties. We have very good finance programs available. And CW AutoKing has been here for 15 years, and we sell 400 to 500 units per year.